Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 17 Pro. In today's video, I will be reviewing the UAG Civilian Case for the 17 Pro. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. I need to give them a shout out. They did send this case out to me for review. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? How does the buttons feel? The overall feel of the case itself? Does it have bulk? Can you wireless charge? How strong is the magnet on there? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I've reviewed some of other cases from UAG, so if you want to check that out, hit the playlist. They have a bunch of cases that I've been reviewing for the iPhone 17 Pro. But let's get into it. I mean, this is the packaging you get from UAG. Like I say, from speaking, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Don't change it up. But here it is. Ooh, I like the orange accents in there because it kind of matches my phone. It has that army green color too, urban armor gear. The one thing I'm going to say right now, we should have more grip on the sides here. I can just see that, and the camera cutout. Bam. Do you get protection? Yes. But can that camera cutout be a little bit more precise? Yes, it can. Also, you have lip protection all the way around. The other zunk that you're going to get on this case is they have not done a case with the camera button there. It's just always been a cutout, so again, if that's a deal breaker for you, I understand. But I think overall this is going to be a solid case, but we will find that out in a minute. The power button works nice and tactile there. Same thing with the volume rockers. The action button is nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom. So, and another thing, does it add bulk? No, it does not add bulk to your phone at all. The camera button is easy to get to. The overall fit, not bad. Not bad at all. I would say the fit is pretty good when it comes to that. Now, a little loose here. That is definitely a little loose. And a little loose up here too, but overall, not bad. Could they fix this up? The camera cutout, it just gives you room to have that not great fit. But I mean, y'all heard the snap, right? So I don't think you have a problem with the phone popping out, but definitely could be a little bit tighter around the camera button and then the volume rockers on that side. Bam. Can you wireless charge? Again, I don't think you will have a problem with the wireless charging on here. Can wireless charge. And then the overall magnet. Oh, yeah. UAG has them. Oh, yeah. Let's see. I like my new test. So, how hard can you shake it? First try. It's getting better. That was better strength. I'm going to say it's in the middle. Is it one of the weakest ones I tried? No, but is it one of the strongest? No, either. I mean, again, you're not going to sit there and shake your phone. If you have it like this, it might shake in your car a little bit, but you're not going to sit there and shake it like that. So, overall, I think the magnet will be doable for a lot of people. I just like the look of this case. Like this case, you can use every day and not have a problem with it. So, I don't know what y'all think about it. For me, I like UAG cases. I've been rocking with them for a while. They're still in the lineup. And I kind of like this case. Now, the one thing that I'm going to say is the camera button cutout. Yeah, we need a camera button actually there. That's being lazy. And then also a little lazy with the camera cutouts here. Bam, that could have been a little bit better too. So that's the two things that I wish that next year maybe they will do a little bit better. But overall, the buttons are nice and tactile. Doesn't add bulk. The fit is really good. Everything lines up at the bottom. The magnet is really strong or doable. Can wireless charge. So this one checks off a lot of boxes for you. If you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 17 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.